So happy to meet you all of you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Miss Lia Junita Rajagugu. You can call me Miss Lia. And I am a counseling teacher. I live in Menteng. I think is enough from me. My short introduction.
Okay, and you like to do things like what?
Oh, I like gardening and reading book.
Boring. No, just kidding, miss. Gardening
Gardening is so fun.
is nature, yeah?
Nature,
Yeah,
yes.
nature. Okay, and then reading books make you smart, okay? Thank you, Miss Leah. Everybody say hi. Hi, Miss Leah.
Hi, Miss.
Hi, Miss
Hi.
Miss.
Oke, jadi Miss Lia itu guru BK ya, counselor, oke. Jadi nanti kalau sudah PTN, you are in trouble, you have to meet Miss Lia. No, just kidding ya. Okay, let's move on. I'm going to share our activity. Okay, we have a fun day. Ya, ini untuk SMP sama SD combine ya. So the theme is DJ Party Fun Day ya. Okay, join the beat party. Ini nanti 13 Mei, okay? Friday fun day, okay? Now, I need to find musician. I need to find some drummers, okay, for this DJ party. Jadi, please volunteer, sukarela ya. If you know how to play music, you already know how to become a DJ, okay? I'll give you example. Okay, this one. Yeah, we have a website, okay, called sampleator.com. Yeah, you can be a DJ. Those of you mungkin drummers. Anybody are drummers here? I know so many. Yeah, in SMP, Abel. Can you help me out? I think in grade 6 ada juga ya, David, Vincent. Who else? Can you tell me? Can you say I'm a drummer? Can you tell me? You can unmute. Yeah, David, are you a drummer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then Vincent, are you a drummer?
Yes, sir.
So many. Anybody else? How about who play music? Azarel, you play instrument?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How about keyboard? Anybody play keyboard? Yeah, you can join. Yeah, you can join this beat party. Yeah, join the beat party. Okay, let's check this out. I'm going to share the audio. Okay. You can make your own beat. Okay, by pressing any key. Okay, contohnya clap, snare. Okay, and then you can even make a guitar sound. Okay, and then you can even do words.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, baby. Hold up. Another one.
Okay, and then you can have the beat. And then you can combine with metronome. Metronome itu like this, yeah. What's this? I think I use snare. And then I'm gonna use the beat. And then I'm gonna say, yeah. Okay, clap your hands for Mr. Danny. Okay, so anybody can do this. Okay, we're gonna ask any musician atau drummers can join the fun day with us. Okay, now I'm going to whoever sign up, siapa yang mau ikut, okay. Nanti ada simulasi sama Sir Ari ya, okay. You can even record your DJ sound. Okay, watch this. This is Sir Ari ya. Okay, listen to Sir Ari. He already record this. Okay, watch the DJ beat.
Uh.
Okay, that is Ari. Clap your hands. Okay. So whoever want to join, okay, please message your homeroom, and then we're going to teach you. Okay, we're going to teach you. Anybody can join. Okay, if you don't know how to, or you never play instrument, you can join, yeah, and then you can practice every day. Okay, itulah namanya perseverance, ya, tekun atau grit. Grit itu gigih, ya. So anybody can be a DJ. Okay, so if you want to join, yeah, mungkin this week atau next week we're going to teach you, and then you can record yourself. Okay, and then you can play during the fun day. Okay, so let me share the DJ fun again. Okay, next we have costume. Yeah, I know some of the SMP kids atau higher grades yang suka ya wearing costume, but you can if you want. Okay, just like these kids. Maybe the lower grades want to join costume day. Yeah, don't forget you have to redeem 100 class point dojo. Okay. Okay, who has a gold chain, yeah? Siapa yang punya kalung, ya? Like this, so big, the gold chain. Okay, next event. Okay, next event. This is for SMP only, ya. We have grade 7 and grade 8. No backpack day. Kalian yang PTM, ya, hari, yeah, I think it's, I don't know what day, ya. 10 sama 11 Mei. Okay, ganjil dan genap. Jadi kena ya dua-dua ya. You cannot bring backpack. Okay, you cannot bring backpack. You have to find something else. Okay, you want to see what something else is? Okay. Okay, this one. You can bring like this, like a wheelbarrow, gerobak, or you can bring a basket, or you can bring a baby stroller, or you can bring a supermarket basket like this, keranjang, yeah, or you can bring like a shopping cart if you have a shopping cart, yeah, and then or you can bring container, ya, container, ya, seperti ini, or you can bring plastic bags seperti ini, ya. Jadi no backpack day, okay, like that konsepnya, ya. You can even bring like a guitar case, like a play wagon like this, or a suitcase like you go to the airport, like a carry-on, okay, or a duffel bag or a laundry bag like this. Okay, so that is for our grade 7 and grade 8. Yeah, please prepare yourself. No backpack day. Okay, are you excited, kids? No?
Yes, sir.
Grade 6 excited, sir. Grade 6.
Yeah, grade 6 mau join. Okay, I want to share photo. Yeah, congratulations ya untuk SMP, our students. They joined the ORC Olympiad. Yeah, they got medali perak itu Nadine ya, bagian I think IPA, okay. And then perungu, we have Belfrida, and then we have Ahmad or yeah, Rehan ya, and then Valerie, And then we have bidang IPA ya, we have Azarel, perak. And then gold, yeah, Timothy, good job ya. You have gold. And then matematika ya, perungu, and also we have Gilbert, okay, and then Anugrah ya. So congratulations. How about grade 6? We have Hero. Hero, what did you get? Silver, bronze, or gold?
Silver, sir. Silver.
Silver, congratulations. And then how about who else yang joined from grade 6? I forgot.
Patrick.
Patrick, yeah? Yeah, where are you? What did you get? Bronze medal or silver or gold? Okay, and then the last, ini terakhir ya. Hi Sam, how are you? You are so skinny in this picture. Yeah, this is 2019 atau 2020 ya. Yeah, can you see? Can you see? Ya, Sir Sam. Oke, ini ada judul quick to obey ya, quick to obey. Let me circle it. Jadi tema ini, if you remember, this is the outbound ya. Yeah, quick to obey. This one. Sometimes, let's watch the video first ya. Intinya apa ya? Okay, let's watch the video.
Understand? Ready position. What's the this is? Shoulder, like a shoulder. You understand? You understand shoulder? Tentara, tentara. Once again.
Yes, sir.
Once again. Ready position. What's the this is?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good job. Go to Miss Citra. You. Big one.
Oke, intinya gini ya kids, we have to be quick to obey our parents. Okay, people yang ada otoritas, our teacher, our grandfather, our grandmother, our mommy and daddy. Ya jadi, I want to tell you, okay, kadang-kadang orang tua itu menjengkelkan atau make you mad, angry. Ya, it doesn't matter ya. You still have to obey, harus obey, harus patuh sama mereka ya. Kalau mereka bilang wash the dishes, ya, atau mereka bilang do chores, ya, or do your homework, you have to say yes, mommy. Harus cepat ya, seperti soldier atau soldier. Ya, I think the pronunciation itu soldier. Okay, so don't forget to obey your parents. And I'm going to leave it with that. And then Miss Leah, our counselor teacher, will 5 minutes, will teach you about grit and perseverance. Okay, Miss Leah, silakan.
Okay, thank you, Sir Denny. Okay, let's talking about perseverance and grit. And perseverance means never giving up on something, no matter how difficult it might be. And let's say you want to study, you want to play a guitar, but you don't know how to do it. Let's say you want to play, but you miss. You play, you miss, and you want to play DJ drop beat, but again and again you miss. But di saat kamu nggak menyerah, itulah namanya perseverance. And how about grit? Grit itu tentu saja terdiri dari dua komponen yang terdiri dari passion and perseverance. Passion itu adalah sesuatu yang kamu suka lakukan. I like music. I want to play a music. And sesuatu kayak perseverance itu adalah ketika kamu rasanya ingin menyerah, ketika kamu rasanya nggak mau melakukan itu lagi, tapi kamu memilih untuk bertahan, kamu memilih untuk praktis, itu artinya kamu mempunyai perseverance. When you punya passion, kamu punya perseverance, itulah yang dinamakan grit. Mungkin kalian bakalan latihan DJ drop beat. mungkin banyak salah-salahnya nanti, tapi ketika kamu punya grade yang tinggi, kamu nggak akan mudah menyerah. Miss mau share sesuatu. Oke, wait ya. Oke, wait. Oke, so sorry. Okay, I want to share something with you. Okay, successful kid must have grit. Finish whatever I begin. Keep trying. Don't procrastinate. Always say, I can. I believe. Just do it. No complaining. Never give up. And ya, Miss mau bilang IQ yang tinggi dan bakat yang mungkin dibawa dari lahir itu nggak selalu menentukan orang itu bakalan lebih berhasil daripada orang biasa-biasa. Tapi kalau dia mungkin punya talenta dari kecil, mungkin dia punya IQ yang tinggi, tapi dia punya grit, dia akan bisa berkembang lebih cepat. Jadi Miss mau bilang bahwa kalian anak-anak yang keren, kalian anak-anak yang ya I know, kalian anak-anak yang super kid, dan when you have grit, you can do anything. Anything you can do. Okay, yes. Next one, nothing is impossible, nothing is too difficult because you with God. You feeling brave, you not afraid, and cause nothing is too hard for God. When you up, you can do it. When you down, you can do it. All around, you can do it. And yeah, you must have ask yourself, punya grit nggak di dalam hidup kamu? Kamu punya daya tahan nggak? Kamu punya kegigihan nggak? Ketika kamu rasanya kesulitan terhadap sesuatu yang kamu mungkin suka, sesuatu yang kamu ingin lakukan, tapi kamu memilih untuk melangkah, kamu memilih untuk bertahan, kamu memilih untuk selalu mencoba, ya ini adalah salah satu orang anak yang bakalan jadi dampak di luar sana. Anak-anak yang punya daya tahan yang kuat. Jadi mau dijatuhkan kayak gimana pun, orang-orang yang punya grit ini di dalam hidupnya, dia akan bertahan dan dia akan menjadi orang-orang yang luar biasa dipakai. Oke, I think is enough from me, sir.
Okay, thank you, Miss Leah. Yeah, this is I can do all things. Yeah, nothing is impossible, nothing is too difficult. Because you're with God, I'm feeling brave, not afraid. Okay, nothing is too hard for God. Okay, when I'm up atau down, you can do it. Okay, yeah, let's wrap this up. Contohnya, Sir Ari ya, Sir Ari already do the DJ drop beat ya. I think Sir Ari is very talented ya. Bisa main sports, bisa juga main music, and then also can sing, and then can be a DJ. Jadi salah satu komponen itu ya you have to learn new things ya, learn new things, and then you become good at it. Okay, itu deliberate practice, sengaja ya. Okay, kids, so I'll let you go. Yeah, see you next time in our school assembly, maybe next month. Okay, so clap your hands for Sir Ari, become DJ. Yeah, Sir Ari, good job. Ya, nanti kita ada simulasi, whoever want to join to become a DJ with Sir Ari and Mr. Danny. Okay, bye-bye kids, have a good afternoon and see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.